Hi, my dear students. Here one more problem taken from the 10th standard trigonometry chapter. Prove that cos A over 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A over cos A is equal to 2 secant A. Here the very simple, we take the what LCM. Here 1 plus sin A into cos A, that is the LCM. 1 plus sin A into cos A. Here if you are going to take the LCM, cos A into cos A, multiply in case of two fractions, that becomes cos square A plus 1 plus n into 1 plus na, that will become 1 that is becoming 1 plus sin A whole square. Here you know that one, that is in the denominator 1 plus sin A into cos A. Here cos square A, right, as it is, nothing will happen. Plus, here 1 plus sin square A, I want to use the formula A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Here 1 plus n a whole square, I am going to use this identity. 1 plus sin A whole square is equivalent to A means what one, B means sin A. So 1 square plus sin square A plus 2 into 1 into sin A. Okay. So write the thing here. 1 square means 1 plus sin square A plus 2 times the sin A. Okay. Here I want to arrange cos square A plus sin square at one side. Cos square A plus sin square A plus this one plus 2 times the sin A. Here in the denominator, take the LCM, 1 plus sin A into cos A. You know that identity, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to what, 1. Or cos square A plus sin square A is equal to what, 1. Substitute that value, 1 plus, here 1, here plus 2 times the sin A divisible by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Here 1 plus 1, you may add that 1, that becomes 2 plus 2 times the sin A whole divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay. Here you may take the 2 common, 2 is factorized. 2 is factor means inside the bracket 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A whole divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. You may divide, here into sin is there, here also into sin is there. You may divide the binomial 1 plus sin A vanza, 1 plus sin A vanza. What the remaining? That is 2 into, here nothing means 1, so 1 by cos A. Actually 2 into 1 by cos A, that is reciprocal of secant A. Therefore, what do you think you are going to write? Secant A. Therefore, what the proof we need to, what the proof we are getting 2 times the secant A. So in this way we can prove that question. This is also one type of identity in trigonometry. So I think everybody understood. Please follow my channel, subscribe my channel. So any comment, make sure you are welcome, and share